Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 2. Okay students, let us look at question number 9. It says that 1 mole of a monoatomic real gas satisfies the equation P into V minus B is equal to RT, where B is a constant. Now this equation is derived from Van der Waals equation. If I write the Van der Waals equation for you, it was P plus a n square by v square into v minus nb is equal to nRT. This was the Van der Waals equation for n moles of a real gas. Now clearly we can see that over here this A term accounts for intermolecular forces and this B term accounts for the particle size. Now since there is no pressure correction term in the above equation, this means that A is equal to 0 for the above real gas, and A is equal to 0 means the intermolecular forces for the gas approach 0. Now in such a situation, that is a gas which has no intermolecular force, that means no attractive tendencies and only repulsive tendencies due to the size of the particle, because if you clearly look, this B over here is not 0. Okay, we have to select the graph for interatomic potential, that is the potential energy versus the interatomic distance. Now at infinity obviously the potential energy will be 0. Now as the molecules approach each other, there are no intermolecular forces of attraction. Since there are no intermolecular forces of attraction, there would be no change in potential energy and it would remain exactly 0. And as R approaches 0, as R tends to 0, that is the interatomic separation decreases. At very small separations, the repulsive tendencies will come into play, and as the repulsive tendencies will come into play, there will be a sharp increase in the potential energy. So clearly C is going to be my correct answer. You might have seen this graph, but this happens in case of a gas which has both A and B constant, that is it has force of attraction as well as repulsive tendency. So initially what happens is that potential energy decreases, it reaches a minima, and then again it rises. But in this particular question we have been given a hypothetical gas which does not have any intermolecular force of attraction, that means no attractive tendency. So in such a case potential energy will initially remain constant, and as we approach to a very small separation it will sharply increase. Thank you.